In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Confluence table of contents. To embark on this journey, we'll start by heading over to the Confluence website. Once you're there, log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, we need to move towards the specific space that you'll be working in today. This is essentially the hub where your document or page resides. Now, it's crucial to access the correct page in this space because all the changes you're about to make will happen here. So take a moment to ensure you've navigated to the right page within your chosen space. Once you've located your page, you're going to want to find the three little dots. These are usually located somewhere at the top, or perhaps on the side of the page. Think of these dots as a gateway to a treasure trove of options, and more importantly, they lead you to the editing mode. When you click on them, a menu will appear with various options. What we're after here is the Edit option, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in editing mode, this is where the magic truly begins. You're going to use a simple yet powerful command. Type // followed by the word table. This command acts as a convenient shortcut, allowing you to bring a table of contents directly onto your page without having to navigate through endless menus. After typing /table, you should notice a small menu pop up with some options. From this list, find and select the Table of Contents option. With the Table of Contents now on your page, it's time to inject some life into it by adding your details and content. This is where you organize your information in a manner that's coherent and logical for your readers. Remember, the very purpose of a table of contents is to make it simpler for people to find what they're looking for, so try to keep it clear and to the point. Finally, it's time to wrap things up. If your page is already live, then you'll want to update it. If you're working on a draft, you'll want to publish your page instead. Simply click on Update or Publish at the top of the page to save your changes and make your newly organized content accessible to others. And just like that, you've successfully added a table of contents to your Confluence page. This will make navigation through your content much more straightforward for everyone involved. Always remember, the beauty of Confluence lies in its flexibility and the way it allows teams to collaborate seamlessly. By organizing your content effectively, you're not only simplifying your own tasks, but also making things easier for your team and anyone else who might delve into your work. That's all for today's tutorial. Keep exploring, stay organized, and most importantly, keep creating. Until next time.